In the very beginning, I actually hired somebody from Kenya that was kind of like my mentor that was teaching me how to program on the Arduinos. But yeah, so that was a huge help, having somebody available that could just answer my questions really quickly, and we were able to progress really fast.
Was it difficult to find that person that was really helpful for you?
I hired a couple people right off the bat. I posted up the project online, hired a couple people, and within a few days, I clicked with one person a lot more than the others. So there was like firms, like companies that had like lots of programmers. I really just wanted like one person, one contact point to do it with.
That way they learn your project, and it's not relearning what's going on every time you talk to them.
Yep. So.
All right, and your 3D printing experience before this?
I have actually never seen a 3D printer before this. So, well, other than like on Google, but
like a little plastic one, even.
I've seen like the little plastic one, but I've never seen one operate until now. Well,
that's crazy.
Until this one. So, yeah.